Hello everyone, this is Mr. Song. This video I would show you my creation. Can you recognize what this is? Yes, this is PCP Condor air rifle. But this is miniature PCP Condor air rifle. Let's call him Mini Condor. There is a core compared with this Mini Condor. And you can see it is a 1:1.6 scale I design. That is so cute and not powerful like airsoft, even though I designed it based on PCP Condor. Okay, let's turn and see the other side. And I would show you how to charge gas and shoot. The tank of bottom was filled up green gas. Yes, as same as the airsoft BB gun do, of gas charging. Push forward the handle, you can hear the click sound. There are 3mm diameter BB used for shooting. Load up a BB in the Mini Condor. Ready. That's amazing. Absolutely can shoot something out. Okay, let me turn the other side and shoot it again. No problem. Absolutely works like an airsoft gun. Okay, now I disassemble this Mini Condor. I hate so much to do disassemble, but I think you want to watch this part, right? It was so boring to take screws out. Fast forward this boring part. Take a look at the red color barrel. Take the barrel out. And this is a tank in blue color, used to contain the airsoft green gas. Be carefully, do not lose any parts, especially small parts. This is a fixing ring in red color. Do not forget a big spring. There is a screw, take it out. Look, this is a pair of parts, used for adjust the spring force. Barrel inner diameter is 3mm. Only can be through the 3mm BB. Okay, disassemble done. Okay, that's it. The miniature PCP Condor 3D printed model. I will keep creating some funny theme about make something miniature. Thanks for watching. See you next time.